So guys, welcome to my channel. First come to gigabyte.com, www.gigabyte.com, and then you can see here search button in the right hand side. Just write, paste, type your model number of you require the driver B850M Eagle WIFI6E, then hit enter. Click to product. You can see here this is actually different. Click. Then guys, click to support. Select Windows 10 and 11. Chipset, AMD chipset driver. Click to download. After downloading button, then start download. Then single click, double click to exe of chipset. Click to yes. See your chipset driver is installing. Then it is done, then close it.